got something for lightning bolt, and at the last I'll show it, and then here's my turn.
Move over there. That's a boy.
So this is me with him, and you can see what I bought him. Like, what picture is it?
Oh, Texas. Oh yeah, they played Arkansas.
And
New
Is on
Jersey.
your head?
yes, he was on my head.
Got him a jersey.
Yep.
Let me see. He got the A&M jersey.
I'm gonna show it to you.
Let me see.
Oh.
Okay, talk about your picture thing.
So my first one is me all the Plutos. So this is how many Plutos I had.
Oh my god.
I have a lot. That's why I got 2 coupons.
And are you gonna win the big one next?
I don't know. I got a Pella one.
Can I see?
This is him looking at the real life A&M mascot right here.
He's cute.
Didn't they play at in Arlington this weekend?
Arkansas?
No, Dallas.
They played in
they
Dallas.
played at
Dallas.
Dallas, that's right.
Yes.
I thought you were the
Or-
Dallas Stars.
No.
Did you go to the game?
Yeah, but I recorded it when I had it. My dad recorded it, so when I didn't take me because we didn't know about this, and
Okay. Nice.
And this is the one where we were watching the Aggies play. And now I'm going to tell you a story at the SMU game. I wasn't there. This SMU guy was running at the mascot, this one, and then one of the A&M students knocked him with his shoulder, one of the football players, and then he stopped with his glove on the bricks, and he was like this. Ah!
That's right.
All right. Did you write anything?
Yep.
You want to write or read? And then this will be here for today, and then it goes home with somebody else tomorrow. So you'll have a chance to look at it.
Who gets to go with it?
Is it a way if we can take this out?